you people. So today I'm so excited. Me as an African, I never did a lawnmower. So today I'm gonna do the lawnmower.
English a little bit difficult for you?
I have no idea of English. I'm not the young kid. So this is the first time I'm gonna do the lawn here in my life. So wish me luck.
Very good.
I tried.
Yeah. Careful with the eyes. Huh? Yeah, very good.
Good?
Yeah.
I think I need more of the wire, so I will call the bandmaster to change for me my lawnmower wire here. Not lawnmower, the weed worker. Okay, I ran out of the wire here and I didn't know how to enlarge it, so now I've been taught how to enlarge it, so now I know what to do. Now I'm not gonna call the husband, I'm gonna do it myself. There we go. Cool. Even know how to start the lawn, the weed young worker. Subscribe to my channel, please support me. Let me know if I'm doing it right or not right. This is the first time I did a cut lawn. We are gonna check the garden if we need to water it or not. So we just follow the shortcut here. Bang, bang. So let's check what is the husband doing. Then we go water the garden. Oh, husband is doing.
Look how nice the boat is getting along.
Yeah, the boat is very beautiful. So, my baby, bye. I go water the garden.
Yes.
Doing the loading. That's so cool. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do the video of my husband working. Yeah, so I see what's going on in the garden. What's growing in my garden? Let's see what survives in the cold and frost in Norway. And if you are in Europe and you're having heat waves, in Norway we have not received the heat waves yet. But you can see me having no sweater as African for the first time living in Norway has no sweater. The weather is very different. These are my kales. These ones I planted them straight in the soil. They are doing very great. Being Norway is so cold, the kales are doing very bruh. The kales are so good. They are doing very great. I can see some insects. I don't know if it is allowed to be there. I don't know why. Look at that. My kales are doing great. I did not expect this. It's just, I'm so overwhelmed with how the vegetable are really struggling to grow in this type of weather. So this is spinach, this is my kale, these are my onions. I planted them a little bit late, so we will see if they survive or if they don't survive, but I hope few will survive, few of them. I'm happy already. Spinach doing very, very nice, very great. My paprika is so happy. I thought paprika is a tropical plant, but they're doing very nice here. I don't know, so maybe they will die, they will survive or they will die. Let me know those who have been in Norway and have planted things here. Write in the comment section. That will help me a lot. Birds are so happy there. They have their nest in that tree over there. Look at this. What a beautiful flower is this one. Wow. What is this? There we go. That's enough.
Frost only just stopped it. It might even now, still might get frost in the night sometimes.
Yeah.
Here. Bit of a roll of the dice here, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll carry on. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next time. Don't cry. Love, I want to do the lawnmower.
Which one?
Please follow my garden journey so that you see if the plants will survive or we will have a harvest. I'm so curious about it every day. So let's get to lawnmower. So my husband normally cut it like 5 meters or 3 meters away from the wall, but me, I just wanna cut it all. I like it like that. So let's carry on. I hit the tree. And I'm stuck here on the tree. Look at that. It's coil in the tree. So this is dangerous. Oi, 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 oi. Jump down. Good. Sorry, tree. We're not meant to kill it. Great. I'm so happy. I overcome my fear now. I'm not fearing anymore. I was so scared I was like, like so worried. So now I overcome my fear, and now I'm enjoying cutting the lawn so much, and I'm happy with the progress, what I've done. Looking great. Look at that. Is it nice or not nice? I'll show you the progress. Wow, cool. I'm going ahead. Give me a like. Give me a like, please. Please, please, please. Like and subscribe to my channel. We are out here in the Scandinavia. Look, the bloom. I love it. That's why I come out. Just to look at the bloom here now. Very nice. Today I've counted 3 flowers.
3
the
different
yellow,
ones.
yeah, the purple, and this blue one.
Nice.
Yeah, so the next video it will be finding different flowers in Norway.
We quickly check out a little waterfall. Nice little bench.
Hello, welcome to my waterfall.
Wow.
Yeah, beautiful. This is the hidden gem behind me.
Yeah, it's right behind the house.
This one was not here. All the fall.
Ah, maybe children playing.
Ah,
Yeah,
it
don't
does.
painting huts.
This is wood, but up.
And the sheep go up here too, you know. The sheep have their own.
Beautiful bird.
Yeah.
A pink. This is pink for Iran.
Ah.
There was a very beautiful bird here.
Okay.
He went away. Very beautiful bird. It's so steep. This is the purple one, huh?
See, this is where you can climb. Yeah, the purple flowers.
Purple flowers talking about. I don't know their names, but they are so beautiful flowers. Yeah, so cool, huh?
See, this is a spring. See, the water comes out of the mountain. So there is nothing here, you see?
Yeah.
See, this comes out of a hole in the mountain.
Is it?
Yeah, see, there's no water anywhere.
I come to look. Too.
Yeah.
What a great spring I found.
Yeah, cool, eh?
Yeah.
Inside of these mountains sometimes are just big caves. And these caves are just filled with water.
Yeah.
Cool, eh?
Yeah. Look at the view. I find somewhere to stand. Whoa! I wish we had a drone. Beautiful to throw a drone here.
See, the snow is still on the mountains. They have a Mo i Rana.
Yeah, the snow caps. Hold the camera. You stand very well somewhere. Me, I don't stand.
It's down. That's the neighbor down there. Making all the
Even the dog
vegetable
is
gardens.
smelling us. He thought we had the bear.
So nice, eh?
We are so far away.
You can just not see the lake through these trees.
Yeah, because of these trees, but with the bear, I like here we see it.
We are following a landslide,
Yeah.
which is not easy to climb because it's, of course, number one, very steep.
Number 2 is
Very slippery.
loose.
Yeah. Once we slide, we slide.
We go on up to that thing.
Yeah. We
Okay,
go up
I
to
go.
that.
You wait, I go.
We go up to that slippery-looking rock, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See, as long as you follow the trees a bit, you're safe, you know.
Yeah, so that you can hang a little bit.
Yeah.
This look like a goal. I'm stuck. I need a helicopter.
Yeah.
Maybe you can tie me with straps on your back.
Yeah.
Because me here, whoa, going down is dangerous.
We climbed a very steep mountain
Yeah,
just at the back of our house.
yeah. Whoa, this is so dangerous. Steep. Yeah. I'm done almost, but I got hooked. Anyway, I'm out of the hook now. I got so hooked so badly. Oh yeah. Look at that. You still can wrap your leg into pieces. And that's it for this season. I don't know if we will cut the next one. So much for cutting lawn with me, supporting me. All my subscribers, whoever have subscribed, thank you so much to all the subscribers. Whoever is clicking on my video to watch, thank you so much. I just put them here so that they dry. So this is what I did today, lawn. So this is what I did today. I cut the lawn, which is now looking very beautiful. Please watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, follow my journey in Norway, support me with liking, subscribing. Bye-bye, another time.